Twisters coming to you with another video.
Bonjour tout le monde, bonjour, bonsoir. So, aujourd'hui, c'est Francisca avec nous dans l'autre vidéo. Aujourd'hui, est spécial pour moi. Parce que c'est ma parler avec deux en-law. En-law, nous avons ça dans le tropique là, qui c'est beau-père avec belle-même. So, pour me dire nous qui gens yo te pensé de moi, les apprendre que m'avait petit yo et les au contraire. OK? Pas vle pour moi c'est moi même qui parler pour yo et puis pour nous penser que m'a fait story. Moi après le dans téléphone et puis qu'on y a parlé avec moi pour qu'a dire nous qui ça yo te pensé. Me poser quelques questions, y a dit nous ça yo te pensé. Pour monde qui pas connaît, m'a tout dit nous tant que moi l'avait pas parlé pas ensemble. Et ça qui fait, les nous de papa la parler, nous dans l'autre voix pas derrière, voix derrière qui l'écrit c'est belle-mère, ok? So, et puis maman li dans l'autre vidéo. So, papa t'a fait manger joint, il pas de chance de dans vidéo parce que c'est le voile nous t'attendait dans téléphone nous relé, n'a pas maman anti crasse dans vidéo, alright? So, without further ado, on commence. Yeah, my first question gonna be, how did you find out about me?
Billy called me.
Billy called you to tell you?
Yep. Wanted me to know he met someone.
Okay.
Oh,
So what you thinking?
it's about time.
It's about time?
That it was about time because he'd been miserable and unhappy for so long. Hearing positive, he was positive, and that was good. That was really good to hear.
That's good because some people want to know. So what did my in-laws think of me? So I'm like, let me make a video. They're going to hear it from you guys, not from me.
Okay, well, the funniest thing about it is he told me you were Haitian.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, okay. And then 2 days later, he calls me back, and he said, I told you she was Haitian, right? And I said, yeah. And he says, you do realize that means she's black? I'm like, really? 95% of the population is, so guess what? You know? Like, I'd already figured that out.
Yeah, so what were you thinking like the day that you met me? So what did you think of me on that day?
Oh, just the fact that you were there when we got there.
Oh,
Just-
and then
That meant a lot.
oh, and then were you like skeptical about the relationship? Like, you think that's gonna work, or you having doubt in your head? What
Not
was going
in the least. No, he was too happy.
Oh,
And it was like you were just immediately family, you know?
oh. So
So I had no doubts unless he messed it up. I was going to blame him if something went wrong.
yeah, I remember me and you had a conversation. You told me that so if it doesn't work between you two, I already know it's him who messed up, not you.
Yeah.
That's what you told me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the big question is, do I meet your expectation?
I would say you exceeded them.
Oh, nice.
After all the years before you, you know, when I couldn't even be a part of my son's life, and you do everything you can to make me a part of it.
Oh, yeah,
And that,
yeah, really, because I am a big family person, so I love my family to death. So I couldn't be in a relationship when he will have some distance to his own family. So I had to fix that problem between you two and make it work between you two. So
yeah, I feel like you gave me my son back.
that's good to know.
Yep. I probably told you that before, though.
You did. You did. So, well.
You're breaking up.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's because we're losing senior.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
Told you I'm all new at this.
Yeah, so one of the questions everyone wants to know, oh, I already know it deep inside my heart, and you tell me that so many times. So, do you love me and stuff, but do we get along?
Absolutely.
I think that's about the question that I have for you. So,
I thought there was going to be some tough ones.
How did you find out about me and William dating?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
I mean, not exactly. I mean, it's just, I don't remember if it just came up a conversation or he said that, you know, we talked one day and he said, I got a date. I don't remember.
My next question would be like, what crossed your mind the first time you find out I'm from Haiti?
That was just really nice, you know, we don't.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I don't know what kind of a person you were.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
We just didn't want to see him, you know, end up with somebody like that again.
Exactly. So I would think it's every parent's, but yeah, I was wondering, like, I'm always asking myself, like, but I never come across to ask you. So when you just saw me, did you think like that would work?
Oh, no, like any parent, we're, you know, worried about him, you know, and then as things, you guys dated longer and longer, it seemed like you were a good fit for each other.
Yeah, so because I just asked you the same question that I asked his mom too.
Well, you know, I mean, you're going to be the same way with Noah, you know, you don't want to make sure that whoever he dates isn't going to hurt him.
Yeah, sure. So do I meet your expectation though?
Well, what do you think? Do we think you should keep her around for a while? Yeah, we'll keep you around for a while.
I'll tell you something, you're very easy to talk to. I liked you right away when I met you.
Oh, thank you, Grace. The last question would be, like, they want to know if I get along with my in-laws. Do they like me? I'm like, of course they like me. You heard that, y'all? They love me. Yeah. Well, I think I'm going to let you guys go. Get ready for dinner.
Okay.
Alright, Dad. So, map di tout moun ki nan channel lan, merci. Merci paske nou rete avec nous. Et puis en patience. Pa bliye, komante pou nou mandem. Si nou pa mandem video, ki sa map konen pou mba nou? Nou kompran? Mgen kek baga nou bo. Kek mbap ba nou man si. Men si nou mandem, map plus interese pou mkonen ki sa nou vle we. So, nou menm ki fèk joun channel lan, merci et bienvenue. Paske nou vin fonde famille. So, map vini avec l'autre. Prends patience, c'est là que je mette fin. OK? Bye. I love you all.